Hey everyone, and welcome to Teaching with Sierra. Today, I am currently working on getting these passwords put into the computers for the children to start using next week. They're out at recess, and before I go out to join them, I wanted to share the actual room put together with you guys. So like I said, just logging everyone in. So we color coordinated the computer cart. So basically it has like the color of whatever color computer is supposed to go there and the number along with the color. So I just have a few more to do, and that's what I am doing during my time. So when you come into this room, here is our front door. You have your birthdays over here in order. So I created that. You have your lunch chart over here, and then they will come over here to put, you know, if they pack salad, pizza, meat or no meat. In here is a bunch of crazy stuff, if you ask me. Now, this is where, from the closet to back here, this is all like the math stuff, books, extra supplies, the literacy stuff, so literacy books and things like that. So I'll come all the way around. Like I said, you guys can see the material. We have Clorox wipes, tissues, gallon-sized bags, sandwich bags, puzzles, all of that and more. Now, this is the part that you come over here where you have your clipboards, you have dice with numbers and then with the dots on them. You have take-home folders. These are the mailboxes. So the mailboxes is what keeps their stuff in there. Math books, seating cushions, and then all of like math manipulatives, puzzles. This is kind of like my area, and this is how they get home. So this is my area. This is for like extra paper, things that need to be laminated. Of course, just like I said, my area. And extra pencils, workbooks, things that need to go home. This is my desk area. Even though I don't have anything over here, I just keep all my stuff in the back. And then these will get laminated. So I can have 2 people over here to work with at a time. Here are their desks, and on their desk they have pencil pouches. And then coming over here, our take a break space. Our take a break space is mostly to get them back on green and get them going. All right, moving away from the take a break space, here is the board that she uses to write anything on. Keyboard. Now, she has 3 containers for names. One is used for just calling on someone. Another one is used for jobs, and then another set is used for partners. Here is our schedule for the week, and that's how that goes, or for each day. And then our Clouder CloLab schedule, that's how that goes. Right, so we got some chalkboards up here, morning manipulatives, all of the Mo Willems books, and I think that these are just extra books. The charts for letters, the board, we have all of the letters up here, and then the American flag. We have time, so they don't learn time in 1st grade, but it is what it is. Board, so that they can write things on how many days we've been in school, writing the 2 different ways that you can write the date, calendar, and our 120 chart. These are our jobs, and then this is her bucket of books so that she can read to them. Over here we have our hopes and dreams, where they will put all of their artwork over here. Here is the library with different labeled books. And then we have our class with their pictures. These containers are spread out over here with 3 books that they want to use, like to read or whatever. So they'll read these books. Meet and greets, they were allowed to pick. When I'm not at school, I like to read, I like to spend time with, I like to learn about, and putting sticky notes on them. So anyways, we have numbers, number line goes all the way to 100, and then this one just goes 1 to 20. This is my coworkers area. We have our digraphs, and then we have pictures that they drew. Over here we have colored pencils for skin tone colors, and then we also have buckets. In the buckets, they have like work that they're working on if they're not finished, journals so that they can color, their literacy books, and then they also have writing folders. And then we just have plants, cushion for sitting, and then we're just back to the nitty-gritty of it all. So that's the first grade room walkthrough. I hope that you all enjoyed seeing what this first grade classroom is set up like. I am going to finish working on these usernames and passwords so that these are ready for next week, because I got some downtime to do it, because I do not have to go outside with them for recess. But anyways, I'm gonna do a total different video and just share all of those pieces with you all.